When women go to Hajj, they do not take care of them, covering themselves and everything, and they move along without covering their face, without taking all the cares, and they move with non-mahrams. While in normal life they would not do so. So Hajj is a very special occasion where the person for a short while appears to be above the ordinary laws of Sharia, which restrict the person in their own special circumstances and areas. Where women and men move along and do the circuiting together, do they not? Do you have separate circuiting for women and separating for men? See, that's what I'm saying. I'm saying they move along shoulder by shoulder with non-mahram people. So, first of all, the position of Hajj is different from ordinary position. Secondly, the travel to Mecca along with non-mahram in the past was not permissible, because in the past a man and a woman could take a long journey alone by themselves, and some mishaps may happen. So in the modern times, when a woman goes to Hajj traveling by aeroplane, for instance, no such danger occurs there, because she is in company, and in large company these this cautious approach is not necessary. So I believe an Ahmadi woman can travel to Mecca without doing any wrong to herself. Secondly, you should remember that every Muslim woman is already doing the same. When she is going out somewhere to any other country or city, she travels by herself. She does not always take a mahram with her. So when in the worldly journeys she does not do this, what is the harm in doing it for a religious journey? You see, for a pious journey, she will be more conscious of herself and what care she should take about herself. And with that we come to the end of this session, mashallah. The ladies' questions were very intelligent questions. No reflection upon men. But I liked the session, entirely dedicated to ladies. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.